So in this problem, we're going to be modeling linear equations and inequalities. So we're going to be given these word problems, these scenarios, and we have to be able to take these scenarios and translate them into a linear equation or a linear inequality, because eventually we will want to solve them. So here this problem says, by the end of the month, Blair will owe a minimum installment payment on her car loan. She makes $170 per week waitressing at a local bistro. To help make the payment, overtime hours will pay her an extra $2.50 an hour. Write a linear inequality in two variables that models the overtime hours Blair needs to work each week. So we do know that it's going to be a linear inequality right here. And the one thing we want to focus on is the value that's going to fluctuate. And that's the $2.50. And of course, it says right here, an hour. So how much money she's going to make is all dependent upon how many hours she's allowed to put in. Also, she's going to be working for the week. And we already know that she makes $170 for that week. And she needs to make a minimum installment. So the amount of money she needs to make, well, she's going to be making $2.50 an hour. So it all depends upon how many hours. And we're just going to make the hours X. So if she works 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, this amount's going to go up. Since it's for each week, we already know that she makes $170 per week. We're going to add on the $170. It's an inequality, and it's a minimum that she's got to make. So we're going to label this as Y. She's got to make at least greater than or equal to this amount in order to be able to make the installment. So the linear inequality that would model this scenario here is Y is greater than or equal to 250x plus 170. And there we go.